Yeah, next nucleosome model. Nucleosome model. In eukaryotes, packaging of DNA helix is much more complex, and it is explained using nucleosome model. In eukaryotes, packaging of DNA helix is much more complex and explained by using nucleosome model. So the nucleosome model, it was first proposed by Kornberg and Thomas. R.D. Kornberg and J.O. Thomas. R.D. Kornberg and J.O. Thomas. The term nucleosome was coined by Audet et al. The term nucleosome was coined by Audet et al. Yeah, according to the nucleosome model, it consists of 2 copies of 4 nucleosome histones, that is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. It consists 2 copies or 2 units of H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 histone proteins. H4 histone proteins, and all these constitutes histone octamer. And this histone octamer is connected with H1 protein, connected with another H1 protein. Yeah, so this is what we can call it as H2A, again H2A, H2B, another H2B, then H3, another H3, H4. This is what we can call it as octamer. The negatively charged DNA wrapped on the positively charged histone proteins. This is what we can call it as linker DNA, and this is we can call it as core DNA. This is core DNA, and this is we can call it as linker DNA, and here H1 protein will be present. H1 protein is present. The linker DNA consists of 54 base pairs, and core DNA consists of 146 base pairs, and together 200 base pairs are present. Linker DNA and core DNA. The total nucleosome length is 200 base pairs. The nucleosome consists 200 base pairs. That is, the DNA which is wrapped around the histone aptamer length is 200 base pairs, that is including the linker DNA. The core DNA having 146 base pairs, and which is equal to around 1.34 tons or 1/34 tons. The length of this DNA is approximately 1/34 tons. 1/34 tons. So these nucleosomes are arranged in the nucleus like beads on string structure when viewed under electron microscope. Yeah, this nucleosome constitute the repeating unit of structure in the nucleus called chromatin. Constitute the repeating structure in the nucleus. In the nucleus we can call it as chromatin. And this chromatin is like a thread-like and also stained bodies seen in the nucleus. So the word chroma represents will be color. The nucleosomes in the chromatin are seen beads on a string structure. They are arranged as beads on string. When viewed under electron microscope. So the beads on string structure in chromatin is packed to form chromatin fibers that are further coiled and condensed at metaphase stage of cell division to form chromosomes. The packaging of chromatin at higher level requires additional set of proteins that is collectively or referred to as non-histone chromosomal proteins. Non-histone chromosomal proteins are also present in addition to histone proteins. Present in addition to histone proteins, and also nucleus having euchromatin and heterochromatin. Euchromatin is transcriptionally active in condition, and heterochromatin transcriptionally inactive. It is light chain, loosely arranged, and takes light chain, and it takes dark chain, and this is loosely arranged, and this is tightly arranged.